You've heard of unconditional love, but have you heard of the secret to unconditional happiness and allowing more into your life? More wealth, more success, and more love. More freedom in your life right now. Welcome to the Happy Bar with Israel Savage. This is all about soothing yourself, right? Soothing yourself. What if you could have been your own parent as a 5-year-old? What if you could have been your parent? Wouldn't you have done a great job? Wouldn't you have known exactly what that 5-year-old you needed? You know exactly what the 5-year-old you needed to be nurtured. And you know, our parents did their best, but they weren't us. Well, now we get the chance to parent ourselves. Inside is still that 5-year-old. Not a lot has happened emotionally since we were 5, believe it or not. Still the same palette of emotions, right, are there. Now we get to soothe ourselves or beat ourselves up, right? Again, our parents did their best, but they weren't us. And so sometimes they didn't soothe us. They beat us up a little bit. Sometimes not even being aware that that's what they were doing. But now we have a choice to make. Are we going to soothe ourselves, that 5-year-old inside of us, or are we going to beat ourselves up for not being where we should be, or not? Are we going to demand that that 5-year-old be something other than what they are? And that's something to think about. And so always choose to soothe yourself. Always choose the more soothing thought. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to that 5-year-old because you can, because you're the only person that can.
I 100% get that. I do get that. And just applying all this is where I need to start. You know?
Well, applying all of it is life. That's the journey. That's the lines between the dots that we were talking about. That's the fun of it all, right? That's the fun of it all. That's what makes the picture. That's what fills everything out for us. And so that's the fun of it all. And of course you don't know what happens next. And that's also the fun of it all. And of course you don't have it all figured out because that's the fun of it all. That's the adventure. If you liked what you just heard, then take inspired action now. That's right, act while you are feeling good. And build on your momentum. Schedule your free discovery call with me at instudios-nyc.com/happybar.